Hi, my name is Bob.
And I'm Gail.
As residents here at Sequim for the last 9 years, as enthusiastic bike riders and walkers, we've put together our Best of Sequim family bike ride. Behind me is the beach of Port Williams and its sandstone cliffs. This is a place that we come to each year to picnic.
It's also an optional location on our 27-mile bike ride. This bike ride is fairly flat with majestic views of the Olympic Mountains, the Dungeness River, open fields of lavender, and the beautiful cobalt blue waters of the Strait of Juan de Fuca. As you ride around Sequim, expect the unexpected and keep your eyes peeled to see our local wildlife. You'll see some eagles, deer, maybe elk, river otter, and even buffaloes and bears. Yes, Sequim has it all, and this bike ride gives you the highlights.
Sequim is famous for abundant sunshine, little rain, and unsurpassed natural beauty. The soaring Olympic Mountains outline the city's southern border, and the cobalt blue waters of the Strait of Juan de Fuca create a northern boundary. Lavender farms, rivers, and creeks, and large tracts of open space fill the middle. This 27-mile ride entails riding along rural roads beside open fields, short ridges lined with forest, abundant water views, mountain views, and surprising wildlife. Our favorite route also has places to eat, country stores, farmers markets, excellent picnic spots, summer berry picking, charming bed and breakfast, and long walks along the Dungeness Wildlife Refuge. To fully enjoy your time here in Sequim, please plan on spending at least 2 days here, soaking up our sunshine, walking through our many lavender farms, taking a kayak excursion, the Olympic Game Farm where you can indeed see buffaloes and bears, and a whole lot more. Shopping is a treasure hunt at one of our many one-of-a-kind locally owned shops. Yes, Sequim has it all. Our website has a turn-by-turn detailed travel plan document so that you can enjoy what Gail and I have discovered. The document includes places to stay along the route for families or groups, entertainment options, restaurants, picnic spots, parking, and even restroom locations. The remainder of this video is a selection of slides and videos that we took on one outing in early March.